Good afternoon. My name is Jim Tenholder with Imaging Supplies Warehouse, and today I'm going to be showcasing or showing you an exciting new product from Forever Paper. It's the Forever Laser Dark No Cut Finishing with hot stamping foil. This is a two-paper system, self-weeding, that at the end you can finish with a hot stamping foil. So the first step of this process is obviously to print your picture using your Oki white toner printer onto your transfer sheet. Remember that when we are using hot stamping foil, that we always want to print the image in a black image. The second step is to get your press. Your press settings are 310 degrees for about 120 seconds. That first step is to mirror the printed sheet with your B sheet so we get our self-weeding effect. And once again, those settings are about 310 degrees at about a medium pressure for 110 seconds. Okay, so we're at about 10 seconds. It's always best to remember to make sure you're peeling this as a hot peel, leaving that A foil as close to the bottom surface as possible. So once your 110 seconds are up, once again, hot peel, keep your A sheet as close to the bottom sheet as possible. And now your adhesive paper transferred to just where the toner is left in your initial sheet. Okay, now that we've mirrored the two sheets together, it's important to trim the edges. Remember that our B sheet is a little smaller than our A sheet. Therefore, we got to make sure that we're getting rid of a couple of the lines that may show up on our A foil. So once again, that's just a quick cut around our edges to make sure that that white border is completely gone. And then we're ready to transfer to our sheet. Now that we've transferred our two sheets, we want to put our shirt onto the press, and we're going to transfer our image onto our shirt. Once again, this is done at the same temperature settings, so we have our press set to 310 degrees. Add a medium press, and we're only going to do this for a quick 5 to 10 seconds. Once that's done, we'll remove our shirt from our press. And this has to be a cold peel, so we got to let our shirt and our transfer cool down. Now that we've allowed our shirt to cool down a little bit, we can remove the transfer. And as you can see, our image has been transferred to black on our shirt. Our last step in this process is to apply the foil. So once again, we put our shirt onto the press. We apply the foil to just the part of the transfer that we want foiled. Once again, we're doing this at the same temperature of 310 degrees at a medium pressure. And we'll be doing this for 30 seconds. Now that we've pressed the foil to the material for 30 seconds and allowed this shirt to cool, the final step is to peel the foil right off the shirt. And as you can see, the foil just remains where the transfer was, not on the rest of the fabric.